Good day everyone. Today we'll learn about SQL comments. So before I continue, there are two types of comments in my SQL. First is single line comments, which is hyphen to use to comment all single line. And then after it, we can just execute it to see the result. That's the single line comments. And the second one is the multi-line comments, which is after you execute it, you see the involving lines. And it is used by /* and when you end it by */. That's the multi-line comments.